Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading Temple, the place where we talk about crypto charts and big trading opportunities. Today's video is about a project that I think is super underrated. It's called Near Protocol, and it could be a sleeping giant in the next bull run. So, what is Near Protocol? It's a blockchain like Ethereum or Solana, but it's faster, cheaper, and built for large-scale apps and real users. It uses something called sharding. This helps the network grow without slowing down. It also has something called POS, a system that connects many blockchains together, kind of like one big Web3 homepage. And developers truly love it because they can easily build applications using JavaScript, making it quite simple for Web2 developers to seamlessly transition. In short, Near is exceptionally fast, remarkably simple, and truly ready for the future. Near isn't just a technology. There are a lot of projects being built on it. Aurora is Near's Ethereum layer, so Ethereum apps can work on Near too. There is also Octopus, which helps people launch their own small blockchains. Near is also working with AI projects. A hot trend right now. This particular page you are currently seeing is the official CoinMarketCap page, which prominently shows that Near Protocol is presently ranked as the number 33 cryptocurrency in terms of its overall market capitalization within the vast and dynamic cryptocurrency landscape, with a current trading price of 2.40, and its all-time historical high was an impressive 18.3. And its lowest price was 0.52, the all-time low. Here you can see the exchanges where you can buy Near Protocol. And now we can proceed to thoroughly examine its comprehensive chart. Today we'll show both a short-term analysis and a long-term analysis of Near Protocol. And here, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has experienced a sharp drop in the past few days. The price has significantly fallen from its previous level of 3.10. It has experienced a substantial drop of approximately 26%, ultimately reaching a new low of 230. And here we have a very strong and significant support level, as you can clearly see, where the price has made a small yet noticeable bounce for now. We absolutely have to carefully observe what precisely happens by the very end of the trading day, and on the 4-hour time frame, I personally and strongly believe the price will indeed go up and thoroughly test this exceptionally strong resistance level. The electrical resistance is currently observed to be fluctuating between a value of 3.37 and an upper limit of 3.54, and if it decisively breaks through this established range, then a significant change could potentially occur. If it successfully breaks through this resistance level and then moves further up, it might potentially pause for a little bit around this specific area. Around the 4.62 mark, the price might experience a temporary pause, and its subsequent movement could potentially extend even higher, possibly reaching up to the 8.10 level. But everything here depends on what Bitcoin does. According to the Bitcoin chart, if we do a quick analysis of Bitcoin, you can see that recently its price has gone up quite well. And right here, Bitcoin has a very strong support level. It has a strong support level roughly between $108 and $110, which it's currently getting close to testing, and almost certainly, about 90% sure, we'll see a big bounce here afterwards. And if we go back to the Near Protocol chart and see, if we get that bounce in Bitcoin, we'll likely get it in Near Protocol as well. Near protocol will probably go up to around 3.52, and it's very likely to break through this area. It can break through this resistance, and in the next move, it could even go up to 4.62. And from here, you could pretty much say it's almost certain it can go up, and above that, we have a very strong resistance that has been tested once, twice, 3 times, which is at $8. So these were the short-term targets based on my analysis, but there are also long-term targets for those who are long-term investors. And they want to know what the long-term targets for the Near protocol are. Based on my in-depth analysis and careful consideration. For cryptocurrencies and digital coins that inherently possess an inflationary mechanism, we need to look at their market cap chart. Let's look at the market cap chart for Near protocol, which is currently at the point of 98 billion. If we draw 2 Fibonacci retracements here, one from the all-time high to the all-time low, and another on the recent move, which was a very large correction. You could call it a correction or even a major crash. It's pretty close. The current price has experienced a significant drop of 78% since December 6, 2024, which is a notable decrease. And based on my analysis and what I've seen in crypto history, usually coins on their market cap charts have a strong downward reaction around the 0.618 Fibonacci point. That is, they experience a correction there. And the price that Near protocol's market cap currently has from here to the 0.618 point is close to 600%. This could be our first long-term target here. Our second long-term target is 4.236, which is the full extension, and from the current market cap price up to there, it's 1000%. That's a very big gain, you could say a very large profit. And if it successfully passes through this significant area as well, you could confidently say that the very next crucial extension is indeed the full and complete extension, which is derived from the entire preceding move, specifically from the all-time historical high down to the all-time historical low, ultimately reaching a substantial 4.236 level. This means that the absolute maximum, the biggest and most significant hype that could potentially happen for Near protocol is an astonishing 1600%. And if we apply these percentages to the actual Near protocol chart, that is, if we price it out, we can see how high it could potentially go. According to the analysis we did on its market cap, we can say that the current price is at 0.40. And from this price, if it goes up by 600%, which is our first target, we'll get close to the all-time high. But on the price chart, because Near protocol releases coins into the market every month, its market cap increases, but the price doesn't change. That's why if it goes up 600% from where it is now, it'll reach the all-time high, which is around $18. And if we assume it can break through this area and go up 1000%, which according to our market cap estimate is possible, the price would reach 26.80. Which makes sense because usually when these coins break their all-time high, they have a sudden spike, then pull back, come down, and do a back test. They use the all-time high as a support and then continue on their way. You know what I mean? And in the next move, if that big hype surrounding Near protocol actually happens, 1600% means the price could reach $42. And you could say this is the highest target for Near protocol. Look, and on the lower time frame, as I mentioned, the price has just experienced a sharp drop. It's fallen by about 27%. Personally, I think we're in an alt season right now, but it hasn't started yet. We're at the beginning of alt season, and in the next moves by December or January, we'll see some big moves in the crypto market if nothing bad happens in the world. We could see significant moves not only in Near protocol, but also in other coins. And now, if we look at total market cap 3, which represents coins excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can clearly see that it's sitting right on a strong support level. Also, you can see that there are good moving averages below it, the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages. And here, if this area holds, as you can see, in the next move, total market cap will hit new all-time highs, and most likely, Near protocol will also explode. It will go up a lot. That was our analysis today about Near protocol, a very good and promising coin. Thank you for following my channel. Please subscribe and like. And remember, this is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Take care of yourselves. Until the next video, goodbye.